Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create Gumroad account and sell your first product. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, visit the Gumroad official website. Once you are on the website, click on this Start Selling button. You will be redirected to Sign Up page. You'll see options to sign up using Google or Stripe account, or you can use your email address. If you choose email, enter an address you regularly check, create a strong password, and click Create Account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Gumroad dashboard. From here, click on Products tab at the left side. Then select New Product to begin setting up what you want to sell. First, enter a clear and descriptive product name so customers immediately understand your offer. Then choose the product type. This could be a digital product, course, ebook, membership, or bundle. Next, select your currency in which you want to sell your product and also set your price. After that, click Next Customize to move to the customization section. Here, write a compelling product description explaining what the product is, who it's for, and the value it provides. Add a simple and memorable URL slug for your product page. Upload a cover image or video to make your product visually appealing, and you can also add a thumbnail for listings. In the product info section, choose a call to action like Buy This, and include a short summary highlighting the main benefit. You can also enhance your setup by adding extra details if you want, or otherwise you can skip it. Now there is integration section, in which you can integrate with platforms like Discord or Circle. Below there is pricing section, where you can adjust pricing options such as pay what you want or installment plans. You can also create multiple versions, like standard and premium tiers if you want. In the settings section, configure options like limiting sales, allowing quantity selection, or displaying sales count publicly. Lastly, you can also add your custom domain if you have anyone. Now, simply scroll up and click on Content section. Here, you can upload the actual files or materials your customers will receive after purchase. Finally, visit the Receipt tab to customize the message customers see after buying. You can thank them, provide instructions, or share support details. Once everything is ready, click Publish and follow the final prompts. Your product will now be live and ready for customers to purchase. And that's it. So that's basically how you can create Gumroad account and sell your first product. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.